Are you interested to unlock the hidden treasures of financial wisdom with the legendary Benjamin Franklin as your guide? Step into the world of financial secrets and unravel the tricks of finance revealed by one of history's greatest minds. From his famous sayings to his practical advice, Franklin's insights have stood the test of time, empowering generations with the knowledge to navigate the complex realm of personal finance. Discover the principles that shaped his success and learn how to wield the power of money to your advantage. Get ready to embark on a transformative journey as we delve into the financial secrets and tricks of finance described by Benjamin Franklin. Number 1. A penny saved is a penny earned. This quote encapsulates his belief in the vital role of frugality and saving in personal finance. Franklin understood that financial success is not solely dependent on earning money, but also on the wise management of one's resources. In Franklin's view, saving money was not just a prudent practice, but an active way to increase one's wealth. He recognized that by diligently watching expenses and making conscious efforts to cut unnecessary costs, individuals could gradually accumulate wealth over time. Franklin's emphasis on saving underscored the idea that every dollar saved is essentially equivalent to earning an additional dollar. By refraining from spending on frivolous items or unnecessary indulgences, individuals could allocate those funds toward investments, emergency savings, or future financial goals. Franklin's viewpoint challenges the notion that financial success is solely dependent on increasing one's income. Instead, he believed that saving money played an equal, if not greater, role in building wealth. It highlights the importance of budgeting, living within one's means, and avoiding excessive debt. Furthermore, Franklin's perspective on saving money aligns with the concept of delayed gratification. By practicing restraint in the present, individuals can reap long-term rewards and achieve financial stability and security. He recognized that small sacrifices in the present can lead to significant gains in the future, enabling individuals to weather economic downturns, seize opportunities, and achieve their financial aspirations. In a world where consumerism and instant gratification often dominate, Franklin's words serve as a timeless reminder of the value of prudence, frugality, and the power of saving. By following his wisdom and diligently saving a portion of their income, individuals can not only achieve financial freedom, but also build a strong foundation for a prosperous and secure future. Number 2, beware of little expenses. A small leak will sink a great ship. This insightful statement reflects his astute understanding of the potential consequences of seemingly insignificant expenses. Franklin recognized that even the smallest expenditures, if left unchecked, can accumulate and ultimately have a substantial impact on one's financial well-being. In Franklin's analogy, he likened a person's financial situation to that of a great ship. Just as a small leak can gradually cause a vessel to sink, the accumulation of numerous small expenses can erode an individual's financial stability. He believed that it was essential to be mindful of every expenditure, regardless of how minor it may seem at the time. Franklin's wisdom encourages individuals to adopt a proactive approach to their finances. By consciously monitoring and evaluating their expenses, people can identify areas where small leaks may be occurring. This awareness enables them to take corrective measures and find ways to reduce or eliminate unnecessary spending. The significance of Franklin's advice lies in its long-term implications. Small expenses, when left unattended, can hinder progress toward financial goals, drain resources, and hinder opportunities for growth and wealth accumulation. By exercising prudence and finding ways to minimize expenses, individuals can redirect those saved funds towards more meaningful purposes, such as saving for emergencies, investing, or pursuing long-term financial objectives. In today's consumer-driven society, where it is easy to overlook the impact of small expenses, Franklin's words remain relevant. His wisdom encourages individuals to adopt a mindset of financial mindfulness and recognize the potential magnitude of even the seemingly insignificant expenses. By heeding Franklin's advice and plugging the small leaks in our financial ship, we can navigate the waters of personal finance with greater stability, security, and the potential for long-term prosperity. 3. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Franklin recognized that acquiring knowledge and developing new skills is not only personally enriching, but also a strategic investment with significant long-term financial benefits. In Franklin's view, expanding one's knowledge and expertise is akin to making a financial investment. Just as investments generate interest and yield returns, investing in knowledge can lead to substantial dividends. By continually learning and staying updated in a rapidly evolving world, individuals enhance their value in the job market and position themselves for financial growth. Franklin understood that the acquisition of knowledge broadens horizons and opens up new opportunities. It equips individuals with the tools, insights, and expertise needed to excel in their chosen fields. This increased competence not only enhances job performance, but also increases earning potential. Employers value knowledgeable and skilled individuals, often rewarding them with better job prospects, promotions, and higher salaries. Furthermore, Franklin recognized that investing in knowledge transcends specific career paths. Continuous learning expands intellectual horizons and fosters adaptability, enabling individuals to navigate changing industries and explore new avenues for professional and financial advancement. It empowers individuals to seize opportunities, innovate, and embrace the challenges of an ever-evolving economic landscape. In today's knowledge-based economy, where technology and industries are constantly evolving, Franklin's wisdom remains as relevant as ever. The rapid pace of change demands a commitment to lifelong learning and the pursuit of knowledge. By investing in education, training programs, certifications, and personal development, individuals position themselves for long-term financial success, personal growth, and increased earning potential. 4. Creditors have better memories than debtors. Franklin emphasized that creditors, those to whom debts are owed, tend to remember their owed dues more keenly than the debtors themselves. It becomes evident that he intended to convey the lasting impact of indebtedness. Franklin believed that borrowing beyond one's means could result in a heavy burden that might persist for an extended period. He understood the potential consequences of unmanageable debt and warned against it, emphasizing the need for individuals to exercise caution when it comes to borrowing. Franklin's advice resonates strongly in today's financial landscape, where easy access to credit can tempt individuals into accumulating excessive debt. He stressed the significance of being mindful of one's financial obligations and wisely managing debt to maintain long-term financial stability. By doing so, individuals can avoid the detrimental effects of overwhelming debt, such as high interest payments, damaged credit scores, and limited financial freedom. Taking Franklin's words to heart, individuals can make informed decisions regarding borrowing, considering their ability to repay and the potential long-term consequences. By living within their means, maintaining a healthy financial balance, and managing debt responsibly, individuals can avoid the burdensome weight of excessive indebtedness and pave the way for a secure and prosperous financial future. 5. Time is money. Through this concise phrase, Franklin encapsulated a profound understanding of the intrinsic value of time and its relationship to financial prosperity. His recognition of the concept of opportunity cost underscores the notion that squandering time can result in missed chances for economic advancement. Franklin's insight is especially pertinent in today's fast-paced and competitive world. In a society where time is a finite resource, how we utilize it directly influences our financial growth and success. Franklin urged individuals to be productive, efficient, and intentional in managing their time. By embracing a proactive mindset and allocating time to meaningful endeavors, one can harness their full potential and maximize their earning capacity. The adage "time is money" implies that every moment possesses inherent value. By recognizing this, individuals can prioritize tasks that contribute to their financial well-being and personal growth. Engaging in activities that enhance skills, expand knowledge, and foster professional relationships can lead to greater opportunities and economic rewards. In the pursuit of financial success, it is crucial to avoid time-wasting behaviors that hinder progress. Procrastination, aimless distractions, and unproductive habits can impede personal and professional development, resulting in missed chances for advancement. Franklin's words serve as a powerful reminder that each moment should be treated as an opportunity to create value and contribute to one's financial journey.